Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. I just thought I'd make a very quick video. I wanted to share all of the main tools that I use to create videos for this channel and my other channel, TED Talks Base. And yeah, let's get into it. Just a disclaimer, there are affiliate links down below. So if you decide to pick up any of these products, really appreciate it if you use my links. It would buy me a cup of coffee, won't cost you anything extra. So let's get into this is the brains of the operation. I should mention that I use a Mac, so it goes without saying I'm on a MacBook Pro from 2020. I may be upgrading that soon, but I am on a Mac. And so this will be, some of these things will be more specific or applicable to Mac users. So let's get into it. First thing is, right now I'm using my iPhone's continuity camera. I'm kind of an Apple person, but when I'm not using the iPhone camera, I'm using the Canon M50. Really easy to use, not super expensive, easy to hook up. For audio, so that's on the video side, really simple. For audio, right now I'm using the SM7B microphone, which is a pretty good microphone. I know that the Rode NT mics are really popular these days, but most of the time I'm recording from my home office. So this is set up, ready to go whenever I need to. Like right now, it's first thing in the morning, and I just I should make a video about this. And so it's just set up and ready to go at all times. Getting the audio into the computer, I use the Yamaha AG03. I bought this in 2020, really because I wanted a mixer that would also connect directly to my phone. I don't want to do a lot of post editing. So, on my other channel, TED Talks Bass, I'm playing bass guitar. I wanted to have my vocal and my bass go into the system and not have to edit it afterwards. And so this allows me to do that. Really simple mixer, like 3 channels, easy to use. To connect the mics, obviously, I need cables. So just some short XLR cables. For accessories, this is not all of the accessories. Right now I'm using a little tripod for my iPhone, things like that. But I use a desktop boom stand for the mic. And as I mentioned before, sometimes I record directly into my iPhone. And so this camera kit will allow me to connect the Yamaha directly into my iPhone. And for software recording, right now I'm using Ecamm Live, which is a Mac thing. So again, a little bit more applicable and specific for Mac users. But Ecamm Live, all these overlays and things like that I'm using, there's a little bit of a learning curve. It's not super steep, but Ecamm Live is the best thing going, and I've been using that also since 2020. For editing, I use CapCut. CapCut is available on Android and iOS, but I use it on my desktop. So when I record directly into Ecamm Live, that spits out a file. If I need to do a bunch of editing, I will do it in CapCut. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comment section below this video, and I am happy to get a little bit deeper into this topic, a little bit deeper, a lot deeper, whatever you need. Let me know below this video. But these are the main tools that I use on a regular basis. Again, there will be a document below this video that has a list of everything that I use to create videos. Hope you found it helpful. If you did, give me a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.